Still hauling a bulky external monitor around in 2025? Let's fix that. Portable monitors have come a long way, from cheap second screens to high-res, color-accurate panels that rival desktop displays. Whether you're a remote worker, a creative on the go, or just want more screen space for your Steam Deck, I've tested a stack of these things. And today, I'm breaking down the top 5 portable monitors you should actually consider. Let's get into it. Alright, we're kicking things off with a budget banger, the Huawei K3. This one constantly floats around the $100 mark, and sometimes even dips below that on Amazon. But don't let the price fool you, because it actually pulls more than its weight. You're looking at a 15.6-inch 1080p IPS display with 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI, which means you can plug it into pretty much anything. Laptops, phones, Nintendo Switch, you name it. It even includes a folding magnetic cover that doubles as a stand. The refresh rate is 60 Hz, so this isn't your next esports panel, and color reproduction is, let's say, acceptable. In my tests, it hit around 64% sRGB, so it's not for photo editing. But for spreadsheets, watching videos, or even playing some casual games, it's more than capable. Oh, and I really like that it has physical OSD controls, which is rare at this price point. You can tweak brightness, contrast, even color temp. Bottom line, if you're a student, remote worker, or just want a second screen without spending a fortune, this is a ridiculously good value. Next up, for all the professionals out there, especially road warriors and remote workers, the Lenovo ThinkVision M14T Gen 2 is kind of a game changer. This is a 14-inch portable touchscreen monitor with 2240x1400 resolution, so higher than your standard 1080p, and comes with a stylus, USB-C power, and full tilt adjustability. And get this, it weighs just 1.54 pounds. I took this one on a few business trips, plugged it into my ThinkPad, and honestly forgot I wasn't using a full desktop setup. The panel covers 100% sRGB, text is sharp, and the touchscreen is snappy and accurate. It even supports landscape and portrait rotation. Now, it's not cheap, sits around the $400 mark, but it's cheaper than the Gen 1 model ever was, and the quality has only gone up. It's not ideal for gaming, and the brightness maxes out at around 300 nits, so not the best outdoors. But for presentations, writing, video calls, and multitasking on the go, this thing is fantastic. If you've never seen OLED in a portable monitor, prepare to have your eyeballs spoiled. The Innocn 15A1F is one of the few models under $300 that gives you that deep contrast, pure black, and color pop that OLED is known for. It's a 15.6-inch 1080p screen, and while the resolution might not sound impressive, the color performance is off the charts. 100% DCI-P3, 98% Adobe RGB, and brightness just north of 400 nits in real-world testing. I used it for some Lightroom edits and watching HDR content, and honestly, the experience was shockingly close to my desktop OLED. Plus, it's super light and slim, under 1.6 pounds. What's the downside? No built-in battery, and that glossy finish can get a little reflective. You'll want a matte protector if you're using this outdoors. But if color accuracy and contrast matter to you, whether you're a photographer, video editor, or just a sucker for inky blacks, this one's tough to beat. Alright, let's talk gaming. If you're serious about portable play, the Asus ROG Strix XG17 AHPE is still the king. This beast features a 17.3-inch full HD display with an insane 240 Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync, and even a built-in battery. A 7,800 mAh unit that gives you up to 4 hours of gameplay at full speed. I ran some sessions of Valorant, Overwatch, and even hooked up my Xbox and Steam Deck. No ghosting, no lag, and with 2 USB-C ports, a micro HDMI, and an audio jack, you've got solid I/O for any setup. The build quality is top-notch. It comes with a tripod stand and a magnetic case. But I will say, this is a large screen. It's not ultra-portable, and it's not cheap. But if you need smooth motion and pro-level visuals in a travel-friendly package, nothing else really compares. Alright, this is the one I've recommended to more people than I can count, the Arzopa Z1RC. If you're looking for the best all-around portable monitor in 2025, this is it. It's a 16-inch IPS display with a 2.5K resolution. That's 2560 by 1600, with solid color accuracy, 2 USB-C ports, and a mini HDMI. It's light, travel-friendly, and works seamlessly with everything from Macs to gaming handhelds to full-blown desktops. During testing, we clocked it at 100% sRGB, 95% P3, and a very usable 400 nit brightness. Whether you're editing, coding, watching Netflix, or presenting in a meeting, the Z1RC handles it all. One heads up, there's no included power brick, so you'll need to supply your own USB-C PD charger. Also, it's not the brightest screen out there. Our unit hit just under 340 nits in a bright room, but for most environments, it's more than fine. This is the monitor I've been carrying in my laptop bag for the last 2 months, and I'm not switching anytime soon. And there you have it, my top 5 portable monitors of 2025. Whether you're a power user, a digital nomad, or just want a better way to binge watch in bed, one of these screens is going to fit your flow. Which one's your pick? Are you team OLED going all in on 240Hz? Or maybe you've got a sleeper hit I missed? Let's talk in the comments. And hey, if this helped you out, give it a like, maybe hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay mobile, stay sharp.